Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the London House Exchange. The London House Exchange, found online at www.londonhouseexchange.com, offers a unique approach to property transactions. Instead of traditional buying and selling, the platform facilitates home exchanges, allowing members to swap their current living spaces for another that better suits their needs. This could be a temporary swap for a vacation, a longer-term exchange for a change of scenery, or even a permanent relocation. The website functions as a central hub where homeowners can list their properties, specify their desired exchange locations and criteria, and connect with other members who share compatible goals. This system potentially eliminates many of the complexities and costs associated with conventional real estate dealings, such as estate agent fees, stamp duty, and lengthy legal processes. London House Exchange presents a novel solution for individuals looking to experience a new lifestyle or environment without the financial burdens of buying and selling. The platform caters to a diverse range of housing needs, from city apartments to countryside homes, offering flexibility and choice to its members. Users can browse available properties, communicate directly with other homeowners, and arrange viewings to ensure compatibility. By facilitating direct connections between homeowners, the exchange bypasses traditional intermediaries, streamlining the relocation process. While the concept might seem unconventional, it offers a compelling alternative for those seeking a more affordable and adaptable way to move. Exploring the London House Exchange website can provide further insight into how the process works, the membership options, and the potential benefits of participating in this innovative housing exchange network. They also appear to have resources and FAQs to help navigate the specifics of home exchanging. Be sure to carefully review all terms and conditions before engaging in any exchange. This platform could be a game changer for individuals open to a fresh perspective on housing and relocation.